Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock the Creative Lab emote and Hearttopia during the Modular Street event. Okay, let's get into it guys. This emote will start to appear on week 1 of the Modular Street event. Well, let me show you the event guys. I'm going to open this store visiting. Okay, and if you want to unlock the emote, you need to click on the riddle or the hint. Okay, and we need to find the static emote construction site. Okay, and for the riddle, it's called Creative Lab. Okay, basically guys, we need to find a bubble, and I'm going to show you where you can find the bubble so you can unlock the Creative Lab emote. Okay, you can go to this lab, and in front of the lab you will see this bubble, and then you just need to pop the bubble like this and you will unlock the construction live emote. And if you want to use it, go to the emote menu, this one, this one, and this is the construction live emote. Okay guys, and that's how you can unlock the Creative Lab emote or the Construction Live emote. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.